Hello everyone. Today I'll be discussing one more very important judgment of 2020. But before starting with the judgment, we will understand who is a consumer. In a layman's language, consumer is any person who purchases any goods or services for their own use. But if we talk about the legal definition, which is given to us under Section 2 Clause 7 of the Consumer Protection Act, consumer is any person who buys goods or avails any service for a consideration. So here the important thing is that goods or services which are being used and returned for a consideration in return for a price that has been paid. And it also includes any user except for a person who has availed such services or goods for the purpose of resale or commercial use. So this is the definition of consumer which is given to us under the Consumer Protection Act. Now we will come on to the case which is important to us, which is the landmark judgment. The name of the case is Imperial Structures versus Anil Patni, and the bench of this case was Justice UU Lalit and Vineet Saran. Why is this case important? In this case, why it was important to understand the meaning of consumer? Because in this case, the main issue was that whether home buyers are consumers within the purview of Consumer Protection Act. So here the question which came before the court was that can the home buyers be considered as consumers? Home buyers are the persons who buy flats from the developers, from the builders for residential purpose for their own use. So the court held that the Supreme Court, the Apex Court of India, held that the home buyers are at the liberty to approach the consumer forum for claiming the compensation in such cases where the payment has been made, but the developer or the builder is either denying or delaying the possession of the flat. So in such cases where the full payment has been made, but still the person is not getting the possession of their flat, then they can reach out to the consumer forum. And also home buyers are allowed to approach the consumer forum once the promised date of delivery of possession has expired as per the agreement that was signed between the developers and the home buyer. So once the decided date, the promised date is passed away and still there is no sign of possession, then the home buyers can move to the consumer forum. Right now we have RERA. RERA is the Real Estate Regulatory Authority, which is specifically focusing on the real estate disputes, real estate issues. But with the coming of this judgment, now the people, the home buyers, they have the opportunity that they can choose between RERA and Consumer Protection Act, that through which organization, through which platform they want to resolve their dispute. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. In case you have any query in regard to legal matters or law exams, you can reach out to me directly on my Instagram ID. The link for the same is provided in the description below. Thank you very much.